The funerals for the 12 victims are underway in that Druze village that sits right along the border with Lebanon. The Israeli Prime Minister is expected to land here in Israel in the coming few hours. He will go directly to a Security Cabinet meeting. We really have not seen Israel's response yet to this very deadly attack that Israel says Hezbollah carried out. Now, it's clear that there were strikes overnight deep inside Lebanese territory, but we've been seeing that for many weeks, and the Israeli reprisal will likely look different. We may even see Israel hit some Lebanese infrastructure, some civilian infrastructure, in a sense, try to send a message to the Lebanese government that it also bears some responsibility for Hezbollah operating so belligerently out of its southern border. We're going to have to wait and see what really unfolds in the next 24 or 48 hours. We are seeing the first reports from the United States off the record right now or on background that U.S. intelligence officials do believe this was, like the Israelis say, a Hezbollah rocket. Although the United States is saying it may not have been intentional. In other words, Israel is painting it as an intentional target, but the Americans are saying clearly it could have been a misfire that hit this soccer field and killed so many children. Remember, for Hezbollah, this is a very, very grave incident because they're essentially, even though they've been targeting Israeli military sites for the last 9 months, this appears to be a misfire that hit and killed Arab children, right? These are Arab citizens of Israel, the Druze, and this is, a huge tragedy. And the Druze are a community that are very integrated with Israel, and they're fighting alongside Israelis in Gaza. They've lost almost a dozen soldiers in that war. So this puts Hezbollah in a very, very bad position because it's going to feel that kind of pushback from the Lebanese and even possibly those in the government who are saying, enough is enough. This has gone too far. Now there's children, Arab children that have been killed, and any children that are killed obviously is a tragedy. But this has a special kind of sensitive undertone for Hezbollah.